When submitting a new sample, locate the corresponding sample ID from your collection device to the sample IDs listed on the left-hand side. Once you have found the corresponding sample ID, select Add Patient Details. Here, you'll be able to put in the information regarding the patient, such as their name, animal species, age, guardian's first and last name, the sample type collected, the veterinarian submitting the test, as well as any additional comments regarding the patient's history. Next, you can select the MiDOG test that you would like to receive on the right-hand side. The essential test will include MiDOG's bacterial, fungal, and AMR testing. Then you have the option to select add-on modules or get the premium report. The premium report would be the bundled version here that has all add-ons included. Or if you are only interested in receiving one or the other module, you can go ahead and select those down here. For this sample, we're going to get the premium version. And as you can see, both add-ons have been selected. When you're done, you can select Confirm Order, and the charge will be placed on your monthly invoice. Select a Submit Order from there. With MiDOG's expanded testing, you will have the option to include parasite and/or toxin and biofilm associated markers onto your report. You may request these add-ons or a premium bundled version before submitting its sample when you are submitting the patient details on the MiDOG lab portal, or you can request these add-ons after your report has been released. When a report has been released that originally did not have any add-ons selected, it was a MiDOG essential test that includes the bacterial, fungal, and antimicrobial resistances, you will be able to download that report under the Basic tab. It will then populate your report, and the report will include a header below the microbial overview to let you know if additional features were detected but not included in the basic test. In this case, we have eukaryotic organisms, as well as 3 toxin and biofilm related genes detected. These can be unlocked on your portal if you navigate back there and select the lock icon with the add-ons. Here, since both parasites and toxin and biofilm associated markers were identified, there are 2 add-ons available. You can go ahead and select which ones you'd like to unlock. Each one is $50. You can either select one or both, and the total amount will be added to your monthly invoice. When you are ready to confirm your purchase, you'll hit Confirm and then Submit Order. Once those have been unlocked, you will then be able to download those reports by selecting the download icon. That will then open up the associated results. This one is for parasites, so it shows all the parasite-related information that was detected. And there is one for toxins as well. For any samples that you wish to compare, whether following one patient over time or to compare a diseased individual to a healthy reference, you can request multi-sample comparisons reports through the time course comparison report tab in the middle. For individuals over time, you would go ahead and select request time series report. And for requesting reports to view multiple patients side by side, you go ahead and select request comparison report. For any one of these, you would go ahead and select which sample IDs you'd like included in that report. The cost of a comparison report is $30 per analysis, and that is not dependent on the number of samples that you choose. So it doesn't matter if you select 2 or if you select 5, all of them would go ahead and be included in there. And once you have all the samples that you'd like included, go ahead and select request reports. Our team will go ahead and generate that report and send it to you via email within 1 to 2 business days. To see examples of these reports, you can go ahead and hover over and select the test guide page. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll go ahead and see an example of a comparison report and a time series report. To interact with these reports, you can go ahead and click on them, and it will open in a new tab where you can explore the different features. With MiDOG's launch of the expanded testing to include parasite detection as well as toxin and biofilm associated markers, the lab results page will have options for you at sample submission to opt on which test you'd like to receive. The basic report will include all of the original features of the MiDOG Essential test, which includes bacteria, fungi, and antimicrobial resistance. The add-ons are the parasite detection and the toxin and biofilm associated markers. When submitting a sample, when you are adding your patient details, you will have an option for selecting which test you'd like to receive. For any additional questions and resources on your patient's cases and infections that you are seeing, the MiDOG Lab Portal now has the Merck Veterinary Manual embedded in it. To access the Merck Manual, go ahead and select the Merck Vet Manual tab in the top right-hand corner. Here you'll be able to view additional information such as case studies, clinical calculators, videos, articles, and various other resources in the Other Resources tab. This includes any additional information and reference guides that you may need in your cases.